Switch between gasoline, 11,000 surge watts, 8,300 running watt, and propane, 9,500 surge, 7,500 running. With the simple turn of the selection dial, voltage easily goes from 120V to 240V, perfect for transfer switches and emergency backup. Electric Start powers the 457 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV engine with the turn of a key. 6.6-gallon tank provides up to 8.5 hours of half-load runtime. Now, with the WEN 11,000-watt dual-fuel electric start generator, you'll be able to create power from two different sources. Simply select your preferred method, either gasoline or LPG, and power on the generator using the keyed electric start. Propane provides the generator with 9,500 surge and 7,500 running watts, while gasoline creates up to 11,000 surge and 8,300 running watts. Fill the gas tank with up to 6.6 gallons of gasoline for an 8.5-hour half-load runtime, or use the included 47-inch LPG hose for immediate connection to propane tanks. Our packed panel features 4 120V GFCI outlets, 5-20R, a 120V30A twist lock outlet, L5-30R, a 120V/240V 50A outlet, NEMA 14-50R, and a 12V DC cigarette lighter style plug. Customer ratings by feature: easy to assemble, 4.7 star, value for money, 4.6 star, portability, 4.3 star, maneuverability, 4.3 star.